Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you ever wanted to start hiking but didn't know where to start, today we're going to break it down for you. Gear, planning, and safety. Everything you need to know to hit the trail with confidence.
Number one, start with easy trails. First things first, look for small parks, nature preserves, and short loop trails under 2 miles. Also look at all trails. Your state park have websites and maps. The important thing is not to look at how many miles you're doing and stuff. It's just get out and enjoy nature and see what's out there.
Number 2, wear the right footwear. You don't need to start with expensive boots. Just wear a pair of comfortable shoes. You can always upgrade later.
Step 3 is pack the basics. You need just a few things. You don't need a lot. Water, snack, a charged cell phone, a map, or an app on your phone that has the map, first aid kit, and maybe some bug spray. Start small and then work your way up.
Number 4, dress for the weather. Always check the weather before you leave and dress in layers. You can always shed layers if you're getting too warm. And never wear cotton. Once cotton gets wet, it stays wet. So look for moisture wicking materials for your hiking gear.
Number 5 is trail etiquette. There's some simple unwritten rules in hiking. Number 1, stay on the trails. Number 2, yield to uphill hikers. Number 3, pack it in, pack it out. Number 4 is leave no trace. And don't be afraid to say hi on the trail. There's a big community of hikers out there that are more than willing to give you advice on how to get started.
Number 6, pace yourself. This is not a race. You don't have to rush. You can take your time. Remember to take breaks when you need to, drink plenty of water, and enjoy the scenery.
Number 7 is safety matters. Always tell someone where you're going, when you'll be back. Stay on marked trails. And if a trail seems too tough or you think that it's more than you can handle, don't be afraid to turn around and go back. The trail will be there tomorrow, next week. Just enjoy yourself.
Number 8, keep building up. As you get more comfortable, you can start trying different terrains, more elevation, longer hikes. The most important thing is just go at your own pace and enjoy the hike. And that's how you start hiking. If you like this content, hit the like button, consider subscribing to our channel for more adventures, and leave us a comment letting us know where your next hike will be. We hope to see you on the next adventure. The trail we're doing today is called the Leonard Springs Trail. It's a 1.1 mile trail rated easy. Perfect beginner's hike. How thick the bark is on that.